Hi, Gabriela Laszlo here from cloudgem.com. I love Google Docs, but it always bothered me that it was sometimes hard to see paragraph breaks, let alone spot accidental double spaces. So Google finally introduced the feature that solves this. It may be familiar to you from Microsoft Word or LibreOffice. It is the ability to view non-printing characters like paragraph breaks, line breaks, or space between words. So this is how you turn that feature on. Click the View menu and select Show Non-Printing Characters. That's all. Now I can see where I accidentally typed two spaces, where there are tabs or a line break, and I can make consistent corrections. If this tip helped you, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to get notifications when a new video goes up on the KloudGem channel, subscribe and click the bell. Thanks for watching. Until next time.